not want to open. Oh my gosh. Welcome to my channel. I got a hair makeover. I got a ton chopped off of my hair. My hair used to be pretty long and I decided to chop it all off, give myself a new look. Hope you guys like it. But aside from my new hair, we do have some mystery boxes. So after long awaiting, I do have the other two mystery boxes at last. And it is storming pretty bad outside. So if you hear lightning, rain, thunder, anything like that, if the power goes out, that is why. But I am still going to film this video because I am dying to know what's inside of these. Now, I don't know if I should open the small one or the big one first. I think I'm gonna open the small one first. I think that's what I'm going to do. Also, I did have some requests in my last video to put on the Zombie Kiss, which is what I have on my lips right now. The Halloween lipstick that was in the deluxe box. So if you want to check that video out, I'll have it in the cards and listed in the description box. And also with all the prices of the boxes and the value. The other thing that I wanted to quickly mention was that in my last video, it was a better deal for me to buy the box than it was to get everything that I didn't already have. But I did want to point that out. All right. Whoa, the smallest box is opened. Again, black paper. I do see a little bit of stuff peeking through. Oh man, is this another? I think this might be another, yes. Wow, okay. So now I have two mini breaker palettes. Actually, no, that's a lie. I have 3 mini breaker palettes. So I got one in the Supreme box, one in the smallest box, and then I already have one, if you guys were wondering what it looks like. And then we have a lip ammunition. I'm pretty sure I already have this one. It's in brown sugar. Let me go grab it. All right, brown sugar. I actually like this one. I haven't used it in so long, but this is what brown sugar looks like. Then we have cherry wet. Is it in this? I can't remember if I have this one or not. Cherry wet. Hold up. Let me investigate. So I don't think that I have this one. I thought I might have it in a mini, but I guess I don't. Or do I? Well, it looks really similar to watermelon soda. So I thought it was this. So this is watermelon soda and this is cherry wet. It looks really similar. I might actually swatch the both of them. So this is cherry wet and then I'm just gonna swatch watermelon soda just for comparison because I feel like they look super similar. Yep, they are literally just a shade lighter or darker. The last one in here is the other liquid lipstick, which is Soul Sucker. I'm so excited to wear this one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Whoa, okay. I definitely want to do a look using this. It looks so cool. It has a bit more of a chunky, oh, I'm not gonna drop it. It has a bit more of like a chunky, I guess like coppery glitter in there. You guys can see that, hopefully. But that is everything in the smallest box. So we have mini breaker, lip ammunition, and 2 liquid lipsticks. So 2 of them I already had, and then 2 of them I don't have. Let's get into the next box. Ugh. Oh, that one did not want to open. Oh my gosh. I peeked! No! Okay, so just a little quick peek. This is what it looks like. Alright, this one I'm not going to look into because there's a couple things in here that I'm kind of interested in. Alright, let me get the paper out the way. Alright, what is this? This is Liquid Frost in the shade Goddess which I don't have. I believe so I have all of the liquid frost from the Blue Blood collection, and then the other one that I have is Frozen Peach. So I don't have Goddess, which I might need Goddess because your girl with this hair feels really pale. I'm gonna put a little bit over here. I'm trying so hard not to look in that box. So this is what Goddess looks like, not blended out. Ooh, it's actually really pretty blended out. You can tell I put it in the worst spot, I'm sorry. But it adds like a little bit of bronze on me, and then it adds a bit of glitter. I'm sure in the middle of the summer it should be fine. Okay, I'm trying to get the smaller things and not the thing that I'm looking at right now. What is this? No. No. Oh my gosh. I freaking saw this highlighter on Trend Mood's post and it made me kind of angry. I got freaking lipstick all over me. But I want this highlighter so bad because it looks like a freaking chocolate chip cookie. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. I'm gonna swatch a bit of it. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Yuck. I'm gonna blend it out a bit up here so you guys aren't like terrified of this. That is a really cool highlighter. Wow. I am so freaking happy to have this and the two Halloween highlighters. Look at that mystery frost. Yes. Yes, yes. I want to do like a makeup look using all of this new stuff because now I'm really excited because I could use the mini breaker, 2 liquid lipsticks. I got a ton of lipsticks. All right, what's next in this box? All right, feels like a lipstick. This is a lip ammunition that I already have in the shade Candy Freeze. I'm gonna close the box so I don't look inside of it. All right, so here is Candy Freeze, a nice pink glittery lipstick. That one right there. So I already have that one. Oh, let's keep going. All right, next thing is, oh, I don't think I have this one either. This is a liquid lipstick in the shade Soft Serve. Ooh, yes. I am living for this color with my hair right now. My hair has a little bit of pink on the ends. Ooh, yes. I am so excited to wear this one too. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's a gloss. Do I have this one? Hold up, let me see if I have this. Okay, so upon further investigation, I thought I had Sky High, but I actually have Ice Cold. So I'm gonna swatch both of these for you. So this is Sky High. The first one is Sky High. I'm gonna just do it right here. Oh, what? Do you see this? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think I have 8 Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks or lip glosses, and this is Ice Cold. I'm just gonna do it on the bottom. Okay, so Ice Cold is definitely has some pink and purple glitters, and Sky High is like green gold. Hopefully you guys can see that, but they're stunning. All right, really excited about the lip gloss, really excited about the highlighter. There's still more stuff. I've been waiting for this for so long. All right, let me feel around in here. Oh my god, if this is another mini breaker palette, what am I gonna do with 4? It is another mini breaker palette. Oh my gosh. All right, so I have 4 mini breaker palettes now. Oh, so I took a peek and there seems to be a mirror in here. Let's see what mirror I got. Is it another orange mirror? What kind of mirror is it? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yes! I have 2 orange mirrors. Yes! I don't know why I'm so excited for this, but I use these mirrors all the time. I have a red one, and I use it to like prop up on places. It's nice to hold. So I'm actually really happy that I have more than one now. Oh man, this one already has freaking dog hair on it. I've had it for like a week and it already has dog hair on it. But I'm really excited to have another one. And the last thing, this is the thing that I was like super excited about. And I'm so freaking happy that I have this because I was actually debating on buying this. Yo, I have the freaking skeleton can't relate shirt. Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited about this. Oh, y'all, I can't express to you how happy I am for this. All right, so I think I got pretty much everything that was like the Halloween part of it. So I got both of the liquid lipsticks. I got the mirror, I got the highlighter, and I got the t-shirt, and I got the tracksuit. I know there was different colors for the tracksuits and I think the mirrors. I think there were 3 different colors for the mirrors, but I am so happy with what I have. My only complaint is there is a lot of mini breaker palettes. Bourbon, is someone breaking into our house? I'm really torn on which box I like the most. Honestly, oh, that was thunder. Honestly, if I had to choose just one after knowing what is in them, I'd probably pick the middle one, to be honest, because the middle one had the mini breaker in it. It had the liquid frost, the highlighter, the lip gloss, the t-shirt. I don't know. I do like the liquid lipsticks. I'm having such a problem picking which one. Y'all let me know which one you think you would pick because I'm honestly having a little bit of trouble picking which one because I really do love the liquid lipsticks that they came out with. This one has been holding up really well. Really excited for this one. Really excited for the skin frost, this t-shirt, the mirrors. Honestly, like I said in my other video, I have a lot of Jeffree Star stuff, so it's really nice when he comes out with like the limited edition stuff because it makes me way more excited for the mystery boxes. And then also I do have stuff for a giveaway for you guys, I guess. I don't do a lot of giveaways on my channel because I don't like having a bunch of people subscribe and then unsubscribe from my channel. I like it to be way more genuine. But I'm gonna have to think of a way to give these away since I have 4 of them now. So I'll have to think about these. And I also have a bunch of the lip products from the Jawbreaker collection. But other than that, yo, I'm so excited. I'm actually probably more excited for this box, these 2 boxes, than I was for the big one. Because I got the Skin Frost, which I didn't know the Skin Frost was a thing until Trend Mood posted a picture on it and I accidentally saw it. I didn't really mean to look at it, but I did. Whoops. But I did have a sneak peek, and so then I was really excited for the Skin Frost. I was really excited for the 2 liquid lipsticks. I know I keep repeating myself, but I'm just really happy. Like, honestly, if I could have gotten the Skin Frost, the 2 liquid lipsticks, and the t-shirt, I would have been super happy just with those things. But now that I have some new things, like I have a new Skin Frost, I got a new lip gloss, a couple new liquid lipsticks that I didn't already own. I'm actually really excited to get my hands into everything. So let me know down below if you guys, which one did you like the most? Which one do you think was the most for your money? I'll leave all the prices and products that were in each box and how much the box was, how much it was valued at, and how much everything was in the box. Actually, if I were to go out and buy it right now, I'll leave that in the description box. But if you want to see my Supreme mystery box unboxing, I'll have that video right over here for you guys. This one is going to be a video suggested to you by YouTube, and this will be my face right here, which I do need to change my hair color, but you can click on it and subscribe to my channel.